This Century 21 Western Realty property video is presented by Stenson. Price to sell. This is a cute one-story home situated on a huge corner lot in the Brookshire Gardens subdivision. Home features all beautiful wood laminate flooring, large living area with ceiling fan and pretty sliding doors leading to the huge backyard, recent furnace, all ductwork has been replaced, stainless steel appliances, one-car garage, and huge workshop with electricity. The double driveways allow for parking in the front of the home and the side of the home that opens into loads of parking space behind the home for your boats, campers, trailers, etc. flooded during Harvey. For more information, review the details below or contact Stenson at 281-392-9272.